Imagine standing at the base of a towering telecommunication structure, its steel frame piercing the sky, a sentinel of connectivity. Now, picture a drone, sleek and agile, soaring upwards, its camera capturing every angle, every bolt, every potential flaw. Gone are the days of precarious climbs and risk-laden inspections. With drones, we harness technology to safeguard our networks, ensuring that signals pulse through the air without interruption. Each flight is a dance of precision, mapping out the unseen, revealing wear and tear that human eyes might miss. It's not just about efficiency, it's about safety, about protecting the workers who once had to scale those heights. The data collected is instantaneous, transforming hours of labor into mere minutes, allowing for swift repairs and maintenance. This is the future of inspection, where innovation meets necessity, and the sky is no longer a limit, but a pathway to a more connected world. Sky PM Solutions, for safe, fast, and accuracy inspections. Check with us for these drone survey inspections in East and Central Africa. Mobile, +255 74619 Sun777. Email, info@skypmsolutions.com.